Hey there, coffee lovers. Today, I'm going to show you how to clean your coffee machine and grinder like a pro. Trust me, once you get the hang of this, your coffee game will be on another level. First, let's tackle the coffee machine. Start by unplugging it. Safety first. Remove the water reservoir, drip tray, and any detachable parts. Give them a good rinse with warm, soapy water. For tougher stains, a bit of baking soda works wonders. Next, wipe down the exterior of the machine with a damp cloth. Pay extra attention to the areas around the buttons and the spout where coffee splashes tend to land. Now, fill the water reservoir halfway with white vinegar and the other half with water. Run a brew cycle and let the vinegar solution work its magic. This helps to descale the internal components. Once that's done, run another cycle with just water to rinse out any vinegar residue. Repeat if necessary until you don't smell vinegar anymore. Finally, dry all the parts thoroughly before reassembling your machine. There you have it, a spotless coffee machine. Now, moving on to the grinder. Unplug it and remove any leftover coffee beans. Use a small brush or a dry cloth to sweep out any remaining grounds. For a deeper clean, you can use grinder cleaning tablets. Just follow the manufacturer's instructions. To clean the burrs, disassemble the grinder according to the manual. Use a brush to gently clean the burrs, removing any coffee residue. Be careful not to use water or any liquid cleaners on the burrs, as this can cause rust. Reassemble the grinder and give the exterior a quick wipe down. And that's it. Your grinder is now as good as new. So there you have it, folks. Clean your coffee machine and grinder regularly and you'll enjoy fresh, delicious coffee every time. Thanks for watching and happy brewing. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more cleaning tips and tricks. See you next time.